Today is a dirty work day. I'm starting clean, but by the end of the day, I'll be very dirty. So today I'm gonna do all the dirty work on the homestead. I have rabbit manure to haul to the compost pile. I have 3 chicken coops to clean. I have some mowing to do because it produced dust and all that. And I have some twigs and branches and firewood that's piled up, a very big pile. I need to sort it, but I need to go through it with the chainsaw to break it down and make it smaller pieces, and that's another dirty job. So today I'm going to be choosing all the dirty jobs on the homestead and try to go through as many as possible so I don't have to get dirty again on different days. I'm going to just show you everything briefly. It seems like we have a windy day, so that's not going to make my job any easier, especially for the work outside with the chicken coops. But I will do what I can do for now. Also, I have this rabbit cage for the kids that I need to clean, get it ready for next kid, which is not going to be now. It's going to be probably a few months from now, because on the last cage here we have a very young doe waiting on her to get to the age that I can breed her, and her kids will go in this cage. Now, this compost is the rabbit manure that I just put in, and the chicken manure from last March and August is here, and other weeds and kitchen scraps and all that. The chicken manure that I'm going to collect from cleaning the coops today will stay separate until next March. I would, or maybe April, February. During that time, I add it to the compost here. Then it will be used for 2026 spring season. Now, the hay that's falling from the rabbit cages, I try for the best I can to separate it. Don't put it in the compost. That goes into the chicken run as a bedding, as they eat from it, whatever they want to eat. It's full of bugs, so they eat the bugs, and it gives them a bedding for the run. So I'll take that and drop it in the chicken run, and the chicken scratch into it and pick the bugs, and if it has any seeds or anything, and nothing goes to waste. Now I'm gonna start cleaning the coops. This is the middle size. We have large one, 8x4. This one is 3x5, or actually 4x5, and I have another one 2x4 That's a very tiny one for like 2 hens or something. I'm not going to record cleaning them because I have a video about that before. Uh, I'm gonna post it on the screen, how I do clean my coops. I do clean them twice a year, March and August. I'm probably gonna change that, but usually March, from August, it's gonna start to become the deep leather method. So you add bedding and you leave everything to give heat inside the coop for the chicken through the winter, and then I clean it in March, and then I was cleaning it again in August. But I think probably I'm just gonna stick to March and just continue the deep leather method throughout the year, and then clean it again in March next year. And all the poop accumulated during the 12-month period will be put aside for a whole year after that. So some of that, when it comes to be used as a manure or as compost, some of it will be 2 years old by the time it's been used as compost. So that's what I do. I'm gonna clean them. You can watch the video how I clean my coops on the screen. Make sure you eat your lunch before you attempt doing this project. And just to give you a quick idea, if you don't want to watch the other video, I already cleaned the other 2 coops, and this is the last one, the large one, and I put the bin like so, tilted, and I rake or use the hoe to bring everything in this container. I push it aside to stay all year, to be aged. I have the floor of this coop is vinyl flooring, so it's easy to clean. I don't have to clean it all the way. The chicken will be pooping here in 10 minutes. I just to get everything out, put the pine shavings. Usually this coop takes a whole bag. It's probably a little bit more than it needs, but I just put the whole bag in there, and diatomaceous earth, I dump it there good amount, and let the chicken disturb everything and do the work of spreading, and it's done. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna continue here. It's windy, you probably hear it, so the camera will not stand, but I will continue working. This is as clean as it can get. Seeing the corner, it's impossible to reach. Move the rake, and I'm not gonna get in there. They're gonna poop in here, as I said, in 10 minutes. So and that's how much bedding and manure we got from all 3 coops. 45 gallon, almost full. This will stay until March of next year or February of next year, and then it will get dumped with a compost pile over there and used next year. And this is how I'm going to leave it. I don't have to spread everything evenly. The chicken will do the job. The chicken will distribute this diatomaceous earth all over and get them on their body while they're scratching here. So they will finish the job for me. This is my first time to do all 3 coops in the same day. It was quite a task. Didn't take much time, but it takes some effort. So we'll close the coop, let the chicken back in, and move to the next dirty job. have all this whole pile of twigs and branches and logs in the bottom of it. Trying to cut it. I don't care what size it gets cut, just to manageable pieces so I can sort them for next year firewood. I use these small branches and twigs for kindling. I have beyond the fence maybe half as much. I already went through a lot and put them away. But these all the low branches of my property and my neighbor's property, we collected them here and I use them for firewood. So I'm going to stop for that for now. Come back and collect what I cut, store it, and come back with the chainsaw again and do this again until I finish with this pile. But I'm gonna stop right there. Here's underneath the hutches. Now cleaning this hutch. I'm running out of time, so you don't need to see me cleaning this hutch. However, I have to do that on another day. But that's a whole day for me almost, working on these things. I recorded portion of the work, and you get the picture, but give you some reality about homesteading. I'm tired, I'm dirty, but I'm loving it. See you next time, and God bless.